Alright guys, so welcome back to another vlog. Right now we are Price Mart and matter of fact we're in America. Because we have to give it a thing, Destiny.
Because this is not America.
Well, anyway, we're in Price Mart. They did a massive upgrade. There's like escalators that you don't really have to be scared of because it slopes. Not even America, I see this. You know, so this is cool. They put like overhead parking or whatever. So anyway, we're just here doing some shopping, and I'm like, why not vlog? Putting some vlog for them to see and thing. I love see this because it's not like this was built in one go. You know, the man them build them parking lot and realized that the parking lot was too small for the heavy traffic. So yeah, they did their thing. But guys, this is rich people place. So I feel kind of out of order. I'll be leaving here soon. I mean, I used to have a membership here, but I only bought one thing, and that was like a generator. So yeah, I don't really do my shopping here regularly. But we are now in Mama Bear's habitat. Now she can venture all the way through. Just to say yeah. Without stopping. So Mika, you are all on this baby as if weird. Alright. So the reason I'm kind of showing you guys this place, if you're ever in Jamaica and you want to do like Americanized shopping, or you want to feel like, you know, you're doing your own thing, then like a Walmart, yeah, this is the place to come. Like they have stuff at bulk discounts. I don't have a big family, me alone live. But for them, it's a bigger family, so they can do like bulk shopping and get all the stuff. One thing I do want to get here is memory foam pillows. I have 2 already, but I'd like to get like 2 more. So I'm gonna look at the price and see if it's cheaper on Amazon. You guys know I love Amazon. I love getting a package. So.
On the peach. Let's go.
Yeah,
Give me
the reason I would take. So on those.
I want tea.
You want?
Yes. Give it to me.
If anything, I might stop back for this one because this one looks nice. Not the color, but just the comfort. Yeah, the other one. So you realize here, like the stuff them are like in like bulk. You can get them stuff here in like some big varieties. So that's cool, especially if you have like a big family and stuff. See all them something there? 4 spray starch. We have 1 spray starch and it lasts me about 2 years now. No, seriously. So we just walking around here. See all them something here? You have enough dog like me, you just buy one of them big boxes here. Be a doggy biscuit. Or you buy the whole thing, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. So they're saying Steven is in the kitchen tomorrow. Steven is not in the kitchen tomorrow. Steven is only making Steven is only making that whole crab thing. Yeah. Maybe something else, but you know, crabs. Yeah, I think crab is good. Like,
So you have to do something.
you not eat crab?
No, I don't.
Yeah, okay. I must pick up cheesecake.
Yes.
It's a show on from like Judah.
No.
Gotcha. One little boss now they're making.
Careful, man.
Come back.
It's what you stay, people.
Come
Destiny, have a seat.
Right here.
If you like bun, you can get bun in bulk here. Watch here.
Right here.
Right here, where?
Right here.
No,
Yes.
I'm not going back. It is enslavement.
Please.
Yo, so in a mega Price Mart. On the line, let me get a quick spin and watch a prayer. People, that's for a Christmas morning. But yeah, the people are out. Christmas Eve, sorry, yeah, true. People out shopping, you know. Good look. So pre that cat. Rich. This is so cool.
Look at me. I went to Disney already.
You went last week? Yeah? Alright guys, so we're there. The day has come to an end, and I must say I'm a bit sad, you know, because I gotta go back home to myself. And I should have bought that pillow. But I left my wallet in the car, so that pillow eludes me until another time. Anyway guys, remember these three things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, venture into the market. I know I did say the vlog's gonna be ended, but yo, wanna give you guys some quick footage. We're at this new Starbucks. There's probably like built up like 4 of them already. This one here is a new one close to where I reside, and that's in where is this? The Ligani area. So yeah, it's pretty cool here. As you walk in, you start getting broke and you feel like you're in America. So here ends this. Here ends. Alright, so I'm just gonna get a coffee, and Mika's getting something, and probably Mama's getting something. But I think I might want a cup. 16-ounce cold cups. I think I want one of those cups for myself. Maybe. Yeah, but I kind of think, I wonder if it's even practical. This cup.
They are.
Yeah, I'll take one.
Starbucks every day.
I have some there, the closed top metal canister cups, which doesn't spill, but
I'm sorry.
that's alright. Yo, the lighting in them place are nice, G. Free lighting. Oh my gosh, that looks beautiful, don't it? Yeah. So I know I'm getting a venti caramel frap. That's what I'm getting. Mika's getting the same thing too, a venti caramel frap. And you getting what?
Ultra caramel frappuccino.
Ultra caramel.
Frappuccino. Which one?
Are you getting the ultra?
Which one's the decaf?
I think I might want the same one. I think I'm getting the same thing, but not decaf. Yeah. Hey, I want 2 caramel venti frappuccinos and a ultra caramel frappuccino decaf.
Venti? Give her the grande.
The grande.
You want it decaf or no? Decaf.
Decaf for the ultra one.
Whipped cream has coffee in there, by the way. So you want your regular whipped cream instead?
Yeah, regular cream.
So what's the name for the ultra caramel?
Hey, so they pronounce my name Stefan.
French.
French. Where's it? That's mommy on?
No, I guess you still have it.
Okay. Let's see. Beautiful. Look at that. So everybody was about to take a picture and my phone died. Alright, so that was good. Not really an exciting way to end the vlog, but yeah, we got some venti frappuccinos, and it was awesome. For those who don't know that we have Starbucks here, yeah, it's here. So if you are a Starbucks freak and you can't do without it, you'll be fine in Kingston.